Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Hi guys, Stephen R. Fort Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. Today we're going to have a look at LTC Auto Mining. We're going to do some withdrawing. We got $131.29 in our balance. This is the process to taking some of these profits out. Go to the top here, click on withdrawal. That's our code that's going to go into our wallet. Make sure it's clicked on the Litecoin where it's got the most money in it. So click that on, come down the bottom and type in 100 or whatever your balance is. 164.164. Okay, so making sure it's the same with this button here that's clicked on blue. 131.164. 131.164. Go down the bottom, click on request. We'll go through the next phase that we're going to put in our code in. Hold on, I'm going to go looking for that code now.